Hello, friends. This is Miss Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant. And right now we're going to go over the lesson plan for day 18. So I'm going to show you everything we're going to do for day 18. The theme is clean up. I'm going to start with the warm-up and story time, followed by letters and sounds, then the brain break, then math and science, and finally art in the conclusion. So let's get into it. For our warm-up and story time, the objectives are for kids to have fun while cleaning and to show them how messiness can be problematic. So hopefully we can accomplish that. So the warm-up is clean the table. So we're going to use shaving cream on the table, and you're going to have them play in the shaving cream basically. So they're going to rub their hands in the shaving cream, which will be fun for them, and cleaning the table at the same time. So you'll be killing two birds with one stone, so to speak. That should be cool. After that, we're going to do a book reading. I will read the story, Too Many Toys. That should be lots of fun. After that, we will dive right into letters and sound. The objective is to be able to identify capital and lowercase c. And these are the activities I will do to help them to be able to identify the letters. So we're going to find capital and lowercase c. So they'll have circles with lots of letters. And they're going to look through the letters to see if they can find capital C and if they can find lowercase c. After that, we'll go into part 2, where they will see a little computer screen like that one there that has letters in them. Now they're looking for the ones that have both capital C and lowercase c. So of course I'm going to be mixing letters up in this one. So when they see capital C and lowercase c, they're going to give it a thumbs up because that's exactly what we are looking for. Finally, I'm going to have them look at letters, and they're going to draw a line from capital C to lowercase c. So it's pretty much trying to get them to identify the letters. After letters and sounds, we go right into our brain break. My Art House Studios is in charge of our brain breaks, and our friend Morgan will be doing breathing and stretching exercises, which looks really cool and is very helpful for stimulating blood flow. So once you watch the video, you can head right over to this and register for their summer classes, which have already started. So check out www.myarthousestudio.com/classes to see if you can fit into the classes that have already started. This is what the summer class schedule looks like. So it started on May 12th and is going all the way to June 19th. So go ahead and check them out and be sure to register for classes now. After our brain break, we'll go into math and science. Our objectives are to put objects in order, to increase their understanding of the number 4, have them being able to identify similarities in objects, and then we're going to try a cleaning recipe. So I'm going to break that down. So they're going to arrange things from largest to smallest, and from smallest to largest. So they're going to start with the smallest one first, and then they're going to go to the largest. Then they're going to have a picture of objects, and their objective is to cross out 4 things. So this lets me know that they understand the number 4. Then they're going to see pictures of things that are similar and one that is different, and they should be able to identify which one of those things don't belong. And for science, we're going to try a kid-friendly cleaning spray. For art, we're going to be doing a sponge painting. And that is all. So if you have any questions, comments, or collaboration requests, please send them to artpiece926 warmup@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye.